A receipt and payment account is a summarized cash book for a given period. This is a summary of the cash transaction as in the cash book, right? Fine. Non-profit organization, they prepare a receipt and payment account at the end of a particular year. With the help of this account and some additional information, we need to prepare income and expenditure account to disclose the true results of non-profit organization, right? Fine. Receipt and payment accounts cannot disclose the true results of a non-profit organization. So therefore, we prepare this account on the basis of the information available from the cash book. So guys, having known that about the receipt and payment account, let me now go into the characteristics or features of receipt and payment accounts. Trust me guys, I'm going to make the features very easy to comprehend. It's going to be abstract. The first feature is receipt and payment account. It is a summary of the cash book. Fine. For receipt and payment account to be summary of cash book, that is, it take a snapshot of the items in the cash book. The second feature is it records all the cash receipts during the whole year on its debit side, whereas we write all the cash payments for the whole year on its credit side. The third one is that there is a need to include both receipts and payments in cash, whether they are of capital and revenue nature. The fourth one is there is a need to record only cash transactions in receipt and payment accounts. Another one is also that, I told you that I'm going to make it very easy to comprehend, right? The fifth one, which is another point, is generally shows the debit balance. In the cash overdraft balance, their net balance may be credit. Another one is also that its closing balance shows closing cash in hand and closing cash at their particular bank account. Another one, which is the seventh point, is that non-cash items such as depreciation, outstanding expenses, accrued incomes are also shown in this account.